Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can set up the conversion event for our Reddit ads account. So once you're on the account, we can start this process by going on the top left corner where we can go to Events Manager. So this is where we can go ahead and set up our conversion tracking. So as you can see, there are two different ways of doing it. One is you can do it with the help of a partner, which is basically a tag manager, which you can use, which can help you set up the code, set up the tag, or you can set up manually. So any one which you are comfortable with, you can choose that option. So let's say we are doing it manually. So then we can have these three options, which is Pixel and Conversions API, Pixel only, or Conversion API only. Okay, so ideally what is recommended is that we can do Pixel and Conversion API both together. Okay, so what we can also look at is Pixel only, which is a website tracking specifically, which we can do. So now here we can start the process. So the step one is going to be, we can open our website's code editor where we can copy this particular code, which has been given, and we can paste it specifically. Okay, we can set up the match keys, and then we can add the code to the website. So we just need to follow these instructions given on this particular page. That is one option. Or else you also have an option to send it to your developer who can do this work for us. Okay. So once steps are done, then also we have to look at auto advanced matching, okay, which has to be switched on. And then we set up the events right here. Deduplication, if it needs to be done, that has to be done from here. So all this work can be done by us or by the web developer as well. Okay, so if you see, you can also give all these instructions to a web developer by giving the email instructions, and you can send out this email to the person. So this is how our conversion event will get set up. This is one option. The other option is that you make use of the partner. Let's say you have a Google Tag Manager account. So you can link your Google Tag Manager and you can set up the pixel from here itself. You can just log into your Google Tag Manager, sign in from here, and you can connect your Google Tag Manager. In this particular manner. And then you can publish the content. So this is how we can go ahead and use the partner as well, which will be able to go ahead as a Google Tag Manager can be used to set up the code. So these are the two different ways our conversion event can be created. A conversion tracking setup can be done on our website. And with the help of this, we will be able to track our conversions much more effectively. The data will start showing up, and then we can optimize for that as well. We can run the campaigns based on our conversions, which we are getting. So we just need to follow the process further. Okay, and let's say we are using setup in Google Tag Manager. These are the data layer which we have to copy and paste further, and then we can finish the whole process. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how our conversion events tracking is being set up on our Reddit ads platform. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.